Hello.
Hello,
Good morning.
good morning.
Yeah, welcome to my class again. Okay, so as I can see here, you chose New Grammar Business Conversation Basic. Is that right?
Oh, yes, but I have enough time to learn English. That's why I choose 5 minutes only.
Hmm.
So, this time, is it okay to have a free conversation?
Oh, sure.
Um,
Yeah.
okay. Usually, you teach English in this time.
Yeah.
Mm,
Early.
early, too early. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm,
but and not all the time.
mm,
Sometimes I start late, and
mm.
sometimes, but it depends on how early I sleep the night before.
Oh, night before.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. So today you got up early.
I'm sorry.
You got up early today.
Yes,
Hmm.
because I sleep early last night.
Sleep early last night.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, oh, good. Good. I think good custom because mm, you did not waste your time.
Of course.
If you have a time, you can
Uh-huh.
speak English, right?
Yeah, yeah. We because you have to use your time responsibly.
I think so. Time is money, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. I think so.
It's like the saying, the early bird catches worms.
Oh,
Catches a lot
yes,
of
yes, yes.
worms.
Oh, yes. Or sometimes I I I use this sentence. Early,
It's
early,
early
it's
bird.
early bird catch a worm, huh?
Yeah, catches
Right?
worm.
Oh, yes.
Early
And already,
birds.
you catch, you catch a worm. You caught a worm
Uh,
in the evening,
you
in
catch.
in this time.
Yeah.
Catch a worm.
Yeah.
For
There's a
you.
lot of worms already.
Uh, for you,
Yeah.
Wam is a student for you, right?
But yeah.
Okay, okay.
So
Mm.
because in the saying it represents the money or
Oh,
the
okay, okay. I think so.
blessings, right?
Okay.
We should be like very realistic. So that's how it goes. So uh, you wake up early so that you can earn a lot of money,
Oh, okay, okay. I think so.
right? You agree?
And if you don't mind, mm, I'm my job is YouTuber.
Oh, you,
YouTuber.
you're an
Mm.
influencer?
Oh, YouTuber. That's
What's your
why.
channel? I will subscribe.
Oh, thank you. So, after this lesson, I'll send you a message about my channel.
Mm.
And if you don't mind, may I post this lesson on my YouTube?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh,
Why
really?
not?
And may I mask your face or no?
And mask? Yeah, you
Huh?
can. What do you mean? Cover.
May I? May I mask your face?
Oh, cover?
Or yes, or by hide your face or no?
Yes, please.
Huh?
Yes.
You are shy?
I'm shy.
Okay. I'll hide. I'll hide your face.
Put a sticker or an emoji. It's okay.
Emoji. Emoji. Oh, okay, okay.
Or you
Mm.
can blurred, or you can anything you can, as long as my face is not seen.
I'm not seeing.
Mhm,
Okay. Mm.
mhm.
I got it.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, what's your niche in your
Niche?
channel? Yeah, in your channel, what's your niche? Like what
Niche.
content?
Niche. What does it mean? Niche.
Like your specialty in your channel, like
Niche.
you
Niche.
your um inspiration in your channel, or like what? Yeah.
Purpose.
Mm-hmm. Mostly your contents. It talks
Mostly.
about,
Oh, niche.
yeah.
Niche. My niche is learning English at native camp.
Ah, so you are always posting
Oh, yes, yes.
your
Oh,
lessons
mm.
there.
Oh, yes, exactly.
Oh, oh, we don't have
I'll
much
send a
time
message.
left. Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much. Have a great
Thank
day.
you. You
See you
too.
again. Bye bye.
Bye.